kraftipedia. Today I am going to do this crackers. Come, let's go into the video and see how to do this.
Things needed are 1 A4 sheet. Now follow as I do.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Crackers, you have to do like this and catch here. To reload it, you have to fold it.
If you like this video, try this and comment your feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye.